Hi everyone, let's get together and turn any picture or drawing into a sticker. It's super easy and you just need a few items that you probably already have around the house. Let's get started. Draw or print your image. I'm drawing a kitty cat here. Next, cut out your image. Try to trim as closely to your image as possible. Get a piece of parchment paper bigger than the size of your image. Then get some clear tape, like packing tape, and stick it onto your parchment paper. The tape should be wider than your image. Place your image on top. Now get a second piece of clear tape that's wider than your image and layer it on top. Press down and seal off any air bubbles. Make sure to press really tight. This will ensure that your sticker is waterproof. Now we're going to trim out your image again, but this time leave a slight border around your image. Here I have a Squishmallow. I'm doing the same thing. However, my Squishmallow is a little bit wider than my tape, so I'm going to use 2 pieces of tape. And I'm doing the same thing, cutting around the edges so that I leave a thin border. Carefully peel off the back side of the sticker, which is the parchment paper, and you'll be able to stick your sticker anywhere. I'm putting it on my water bottle here. And here you see I've turned 3 drawings into stickers. One of them is a hand holding, I think it's an avocado. That's from a local artist. And there we have it, a super simple and easy way to turn any drawing or printed image into a sticker. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.